Welcome back to another tank airsoft video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Sadly, no intro for today, but today I'm using my SSR4 and I'm playing at GE Airsoft. This is cool or funny moments from my 4th time ever playing airsoft. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to like, comment, and share.
One kill. Sure. He's out. There was peeking from there.
Maybe if they had a scope on this, that would be a lot better. Yeah, I might actually get a zoom scope. I might get a zoom scope for that.
Oh, there's a guy coming. There's a guy coming.
Where they at? Where they at? They're on the right. They're on the right. Bro, I said hold it down.
Okay, I got 2 kills. This is a good spot.
Short question. There's somebody on the right with a
Yeah, right. Flashlight.
no. I'm gonna get blinded.
Alright, got him. I got like 3 or 4 kills already. Are you back?
Yeah, I got shot from that window.
You got shot through the window?
Yeah.
I got like 4 kills. Good job.
Hero.
No?
You probably heard me.
Alright, check that window. I'm gonna peek around here, okay?
I wanna peek around here.
Okay, we're good.
Somebody got
No one's shooting. No one's shooting. We're good. That building. That building.
They're inside our house. Right.
Oh no! We're getting shot at. We're getting shot at. Oh, you're out? Oh, sorry. I thought you were on the enemy team. Oh, hit. Gone right in the butt.
I got you.
I can't forget this guy. Can I go look for him?
Davis.
Wait.
Should I go ask? He might be inside. I'm gonna go check.
Wait, ask him if he can look with me.
I get
Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
Yeah, you should be good, depending on what.
Alright, so the recordings
First
got a
gameplay.
little mixed up, so this is from closer to the beginning.
Oh, hit, sorry. Speed softer. Okay. Is he coming here? He did.
At this part, I don't think I get many kills, just mostly get shot at, but yeah.
Hit. Gosh, he's crazy. Hey, crap. This way.
Well, that's our teammate.
Yeah, I know.
I'm scared. I want my mother.
Ow.
I don't do anything.
That's teammate.
Oh my God.
How's shooting for no
It's
reason?
also come on. I won't get him. If I didn't get him, it'll probably be out of his head.
He's dead, I got him. Everyone's dropping their bags. When I say go, we run, right? Go, 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 go. I got knee pads. That's true. I got him. The Russian AK.
What?
Russian AK.
Now record.
Yeah! Bro just broke his gun. Alright, well. Look at that thing. What is that? You got a compact rifle now.
Yes.
Just cut the barrel.
No, this is part of it. I need my Allen key.
Well, you don't have it. Sucks for you. No! I'm legit not ready. Just run it right there.
Huh?
Can I just run it right there?
Oh yeah. See this way.